7 surfaces. 7 surfaces in 7 different colors showing 7 steps for filing and buffing nails. Every surface has every single different level of smoothness. File your nails. File your nails as you normally would. The nail shape can be round, square and oval. It can be a useful way to create naturally smooth nails. Use step by step. Each side is numbered for the order to use and shows the function of each surface. Handy nail file. A good handy nail file for your handbag. The nail file is convenient and portable for on-the-go nail care instead of finding nail shops to clip your nails. Good tool. The nail buffer is a good nail finishing tool which can be applied repeatedly. You can trim your toenails after clipping your fingernails. Top reviews from the United States. Great for post-gel. Very nice cure for the after-gel manicure nail. I am one of those ladies who pick off the polish because I can't help myself. I just did my right hand compared to my left and the results are awesome. I don't have to wait for the regrowth when I can just sand down the peeling parts. The shine is an added bonus for me.